In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a wiper blade on your Chevy Silverado. Let's get started. Lift the wiper off of the windshield. Push on the button in the middle. Pull the wiper blade out. Gently return the wiper arm to the windshield. And remove the wiper. Lift the wiper arm off of the windshield. Slide the wiper blade into place. You'll hear it click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked in. Turn the wiper arm to the glass. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.